How to change time on chess.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change time on chess.com. So to do that, it is basically the same on your browser as well as the chess.com app. All you have to do is simply go to chess.com. After that, simply wait for it to load up. Now once you've done that, tap on the option play, and then where it says 10-minute, you can simply tap on it, and then you can change whatever time you'd like. So if you are trying to play bullet, you can choose it to 1 minute, 1 by 1, 2 by 1. If you are playing blitz, you can change it to 3 minutes, 3 by 2, and 5 minutes. If you are playing rapid, you can change it to 10 minutes, 15 by 10, or 30 minutes. And similarly for daily, you can choose 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days. Now if you tap on the option more time controls, you will get even more options. So that is basically how you change time on chess.com. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.